And this is the right side. They're just shot. Both of them. Alright, you want to look at it. Right around. Left, right. They're both the same, doesn't matter. Alright. The starter needs to be out of your way, but you can access all the bolts to this right here. Put it on your block first. They're 15 millimeters. Make sure you put it on there first. And then as it comes down, you can tell they're slotted. Maybe not. I don't know. Hold on. Arm around in here. There. So you put it on the block first, and then slowly let your motor down and line those slots up. But it should just lay right down in there. If you do a direct push, loosen up your transmission mount and then push it straight up. That way you don't rip it. And put your block right here under the oil pan and just push straight up. Alright. And then everything should just line up, because there's no play in them. Once you get them on, there's no play in them. But your starter has to be out to do it. And of course, I'm doing this all in one shot here. I gotta wipe it down. I got some WD-40 everywhere. I need to squirt some in them two holes. There you go, guys. All the bolts are back on the transmission. The transmission cooling lines are good. New transmission mount, two new motor mounts, new flex plate, oil pan gasket, oil filter. I like the way that oil filter bolts up, by the way. It's just straight up. Fill your oil filter up with oil and watch it. It'll bubble down, but put it on full of oil, because you're going to prime on the other side. You got to prime the pump, and we'll get to that later. But let's get this all assembled. It's been a job. There you go.